Okay, so I'm going to quickly show how lightworks uh, can be used to edit your dauntless videos, your speedruns or whatever, quickly, and then um, uh, render them so that they can be uploaded to YouTube. Um, so like first of all, you'll have to have some sort of way to capture videos. Right now, since I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, I have like built-in GeForce like recording software. I think it's called Shadow Play or something. So what you do once this is up, you're gonna have to log in and do whatever. Like if you haven't made an account or whatever, you have to make an account. And then once you're logged in, you go up to the top left here where it says create a new project. Just call it example. And then for frame rate, you can really just like choose anything because like all you're really doing here is um, just making a proof for people who are like looking for for whatever you're saying that you've done. Uh, so now that you're here, you're going to be on this main page. Um, uh, right now, there's no contents inside of the that we have to work with to put and like construct the video that we want to render. So what we do is we go to our local files, and this is uh, where I have my video, where my videos automatically get stored after uh, GeForce or Shadowplay finishes like the recording. So I'm just gonna go down and choose randomly some video. Um, here, I guess I'll choose this one. uh, okay, perfect. So now if I go back to project contents, you can see that it's here. Then from there, at the very top of the screen, we move from log to edit. Inside of edit, you'll have the timeline of your video. So what you do is you grab your project contents and you pull the video that you've captured down into the timeline. Now that it's here, you can pretty easily like decide where you want to cut um, parts in or out or do whatever you need to be doing. So for example, this is the end of the fight will be just around here. So at the very end of the fight, I can go ahead just below this screen right here at the top right, I can choose this option, which will actually cut the video right here, and then I can delete these end parts. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and delete these. Uh, there we go. So they're all deleted. Now my video is going to be smaller, so it's not going to be as hard to render and upload. And so I just go back and choose anywhere inside of the timeline where the video is actually like filling out the timeline. And then in the top right here, I'm going to right click, um, go to export, YouTube. Just make sure that everything here is the way that you want it to be. Um, your name, or sorry, not your name, but the name that you want the video to be. So I'm gonna just call it example. Okay, perfect. And just make sure that the folder where you want it to render and like produce the uploadable video to um, is something that you'll know where to find the video after it's finished. And just press start and then it will render the video in the top left here. Uh, okay, but I'm not actually gonna like wait for it to render this random video. I'll just show you from here. Although I don't really think that it's even necessary. Um, uh, so I can just go from there to where the videos are stored, and it would have popped up right here. And then from here, I can just choose the video and upload it onto YouTube. So that's pretty much how you use lightworks. Just so you know though, like every weekish, I think it's every week, you have to sign into lightworks again, even if you haven't closed the program or restarted your computer or signed out or done anything like that, just because that's the way that the freeware or whatever keeps track of like how often you're using it as a, I don't know, something like that. So they just want you to sign in every week to keep using it. Um, but yeah, anyway, so that's how you use Lightworks. I hope that's helpful. And yeah, that's it.